Hey, it's Kesey. Welcome back to Kesey's World. And if you're new, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because you don't want to miss all the dope content I have coming for you. Today, I am reviewing a wig from Luvme. This packaging is so cute. It's like the perfect gift. So definitely comes with wig caps, a Luvme hair clip, edges, little brush with a little comb. This is the bag I can store the wig in. Make me sweat. Come on. Comes with this little thing which keeps the wig in place. Ooh, oh, yes, y'all. This is the hair. It is looking absolutely beautiful. Very, very soft to touch. And very full. Like I can feel the thickness as I run my hand down from the top to the bottom. So I love that. Loving the color. Loving the color. This is the lace. It already has a part in it. Okay. But it has free parting. As you can see from the inside of the cap construction. It has free parting. This is a glueless wig. Okay. It is 7x6. Has max parting space. Love that because you can get a nice deep part back here. It is pre-bleached. So let's take a look at it on my hand, y'all. I do not need to bleach at all. It is pre-bleached. Look at that parting. It looks beautiful. And then the one thing I want you all to notice too in the front of this beautiful wig is that it is also pre-plucked. It does have an adjustable band in it. So there's combs at the sides, a comb in the back, and it does have this grip right here so that your wig does not move when it's on your head. So I like that as well. This is definitely a beginner-friendly wig. Pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and it's glueless. This is HD lace. This is the key to having your wig melt down and not seeing the lace. HD is the best lace. Chestnut brown highlights. It's called Funmi Curly 7x6 closure HD lace wig breathable cap. And it came in 18 inches long. Ah! I'm so excited. It feels amazing. Let's go ahead and put it on my head and see. Ooh. Ooh. Fit on this. Okay, so this is how it looks on my head. I haven't done a thing to it. So this looks really, really good out the box. I'm gonna go ahead and get into styling this wig and show you how quick and easy it is.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews. I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, your side, you applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me.
So this is the hair. Nice and wet, more sleek looking. Back with the hair, big, beautiful, curls popping. This wig is so, so beautiful. Like, it is giving scalp realness. Take a look at this. This is what it's giving. This is what it's giving, y'all. Easy, breezy, very secure. It's not moving around. I'm not worried about going out and not laying this down with glue or laying it down with a product. I don't need any product. And I did not add any foundation to this lace whatsoever. So that is real HD. Real HD lace, okay, will have you not having to even add product, makeup, anything. It just melts down into your skin. And it's only a 7x6 closure wig, but it gives off full frontal vibes. Like, look at this. Look at this. Also the parting space. So let me get this comb real quick and just show y'all. But if I just take and part, look at that. Look at that, okay? Let's do it for a middle part. I just want to make sure we are clear that you can part this wig and not worry. And we can get a deep side over here. Okay? Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? This is what this hair is giving. And I'm in love. Let's just go over the pros, because there aren't any cons to go over. So let's just go over all the pros of this wig. It is completely beginner friendly. You literally pop it on your head, adjust the strap as needed. I didn't have to put any makeup. It is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, which means you don't have to worry if you are not knowledgeable on bleaching knots or tweezing wigs. Luvme did all the work for you. It's soft, it's very, very full, 18 inches long. It's beautiful. And you are done with your day. You can just take it off and put it away. That's it. Need to go run some errands really quickly. Pop it back on. What? Pop it back on. Boom. Like I never left. It's just that simple. Thank you so much for tuning into Kesey's World. I hope you enjoyed this video and go and get it, because I mean, to not have to do the extra steps, just being able to pop it on and style it, like, that's the wig life I want to live. I don't know about y'all, but that's the wig life I love and enjoy the most. So all the details to this wig are in the description box, and I have a code for y'all. Use Kesey28 for a discount on all wigs site wide. Okay, thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Yeah.